Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about why training in financial tools and software is a must in the digital age. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Financial tools training encompasses learning essential software and applications used for tasks like accounting, data analysis, and risk management. This training is vital for navigating modern financial landscapes, fostering efficiency, and ensuring competitive proficiency. In the digital age, proficiency in financial tools and software is crucial for several reasons. Efficiency, automation, and software streamline financial processes. Training enables individuals to leverage these tools effectively, improving efficiency in various tasks. Data analysis. Advanced software can analyze vast amounts of financial data quickly, providing valuable insights for decision-making. Training allows professionals to interpret this data accurately, facilitating informed strategic choices. Adaptability. Financial technology evolves rapidly. Training ensures that individuals stay updated with the latest tools and trends, enhancing adaptability to changes in the industry. Competitive advantage. Proficiency in financial tools sets individuals apart in a competitive job market. Employers see candidates who can navigate these technologies proficiently, making it a valuable skill set. Risk management. Specialized software aids in risk assessment and management. Training equips individuals to identify and mitigate potential risks, enhancing financial stability for businesses. Ultimately, proficiency in financial tools and software isn't just about mastering technology. It's about leveraging these tools to make smarter financial decisions, improve processes, and drive business success in the digital landscape. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.